Okay, y'all, so I got an easy recipe for y'all today. So I'm gonna make a breakfast pizza. So I have these turkey sausage link. I have 1 pack of these, 6 eggs, Jimmy Dean regular sausages, 1 pizza crust, garlic and herb butter. I'm gonna use some of this onion, bacon bits, mild cheddar cheese, and then I have some picante sauce. So y'all stay tuned and watch the full video, and if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, y'all, so while the Jimmy Dean sausage is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and start working on our eggs. Just 1 egg, 2 eggs, and it's the 3rd egg. And I'm only gonna use salt and pepper this time. And then we're just gonna mix it up together. All right, y'all, so I already added just a small stick of butter, so now we can go ahead and add our eggs. I love spinach, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is how the pizza looks before I put it in the oven till it's done. So if y'all would like to watch the full video, be sure to check out my page and watch it, y'all. Watch it all the way through. And if you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, y'all, so here's my breakfast pizza. The pot is very heavy. So y'all be sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and share it with somebody else on today. Y'all stay blessed. Okay, here I go. So I think next time I may add some pizza sauce, but to me it tastes good this way.